In 1986, the Chernobyl disaster left an indelible mark on history, resulting in the worst nuclear accident ever recorded. Abandoned cities like Pripyat became ghost towns swallowed by nature's relentless reclaim. Today, wildlife thrives, with wolves and bears roaming through the remnants of civilization. Despite the haunting past, the exclusion zone stands as a testament to resilience and recovery, creating a unique ecosystem. As scientists study this eerie landscape, they uncover lessons about survival and the balance of nature in the face of human error.